I am Egobali Sarkar, assistant teacher, Kaharutin Girls High School. I am very proud to get opportunity taking online class. Today, I am going to teach you about a persons. There are many persons in the world who are famous for their activities. Some are politicians, some are singers, some are social worker. There are many people who born in a luxurious family, but they leave their family for the Creator. He look for happiness in next life, next world, but no outward world. Such a people, they thought about Creator by their meditation, and they leave their palace for the sake of Creator. They always think that Creator and creative, we are creating the same Creator. There are no difference between creatives. They are the son of same Creator. We make difference between man to man by our think, but there is no difference between one man from other man. Such a people named Hasan Raja. We are going to learn about Hasan Raja, class 6, lesson number 21. Bangladesh, class 6, lesson 21. Now, we are going to read the passage. Hasan Raja was born in 1854 in a wealthy landlord's family in Sylhet. He did not receive much formal education. In his youth, he led a life of luxury. He had anything, money, comfort, and pleasure. At one time, he understood that all these are meaningless. He gave away all of his properties. He started to think deeply about Creator and life, death, and mankind. Hasan Raja wrote a lot of songs, perhaps about 1,000 in number. His book called Hasan Udas was published in 1906. The book had 206 songs in it. In his songs, Hasan called himself Crazy Hasan Raja on the Pagla Hasan Raja. A volume called Hasan Raja Shamagro was also published. The book contained 500 poems and songs. Some of the songs were written by the poet in Hindi. Hasan Raja's songs was always popular in Sylhet, but very soon they spread all over Bangladesh and banned in India's West Bengal. Some eminent pop singers made Hasan Raja's songs popular. When you grow older, you will learn more about the great mystic poet through reading and listening to his songs. Lakh means want. What meaning? Lakhs means want. Happy means glad. Happy means glad. Rich means wealthy. Wealthy. Happy, rich means wealthy. Now, I am going to ask some question about Hasan Raja.
তোমারই কথায়
Hasan Raja born. When was Hasan Raja born? Hasan Raja was born in 1854. 1854. Where did he come from? Where did he come from? He come from a landlord family. He came from a landlord family. What was his childhood like? His childhood was very luxurious. He was born in a wealthy family. He had everything: pleasure, comfort, wealth. Why did Hasan Raja live the life of comfort and pleasure? Through his thinking, he thought that comfort, happiness, wealth, everything is meaningless in the world. He only think that how is mankind, what is the creator, how can we get the near of creator. So he left the court, left the all many comfort and seeking for the creator. What was the other name? Right? Hasan Raja's other's name is Crazy Hasan Raja or Pagla Hasan Raja. Hasan Raja. There are some question about Hasan Raja. Hasan Raja is a man of Pagla Hasan Raja. He always think that how can we get the near of creator. So he left the house and he wrote many poems, songs and other thing about God, about creator. This is Hasan Raja. When you go, you can see, you can know about Hasan Raja more. Some singer made Hasan Raja well known in especially Sylhet, later all over Bangladesh and Bangladesh, West Bengal, etc. We can know about Hasan Raja and other person by singing, by hearing his songs. There are many persons like Hasan Raja. We learn about Hasan Raja only when we grow older. We can learn about other person about like Hasan Raja. This is all. Homework. You write a paragraph about Hasan Raja. Coming tomorrow, I will see the answer tomorrow. Thank you all.